Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D objects in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D objects in this document. We go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes option. And we can see here many shapes. We select any shape and draw it. Now I select the oval shape. Then draw these shapes in this document. Then we can see here we draw a oval shape. Then we click the shape and go to the shape format menu. Then we can see here many options. We find and select the shape effect option. Then we click the 3D rotation and choose any rotation. Now I select this rotation and again go to the shape effect, then click the preset and choose any preset. Now I select this preset. Then you can change this shape fill color or outline color. Select the shape fill and choose any color. Now I select the color and change the shape outline. Otherwise, you apply some effect in these shapes. Click the shape style drop down menu and choose any style. Now we can see here we make 3D object in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.